Hello there. Welcome to Sidebar with Tony. Today we are looking at the nature of jurisprudence. Jurisprudence, as a matter of fact, when studying it, is to enable us to capture the intricacies of the law. Jurisprudence broadens the knowledge of the student. Jurisprudence fosters what is the intellectual rigor that ought to be the hallmark of any university education. Jurisprudence trains the mind into legal ways of thought. It teaches the proper use of legal terms, that is jurisprudence. Jurisprudence discloses knowledge of general ideas and principle of legal system. That is jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is all-embracing. Jurisprudence captures the necessary ingredients that has to do with the general principle in a more universal way. This is one of the things you look at when you talk about the nature of jurisprudence. It discloses the intricacies of law. As a result of these qualities, jurisprudence is considered, in quote, the eye of the law. The study of jurisprudence helps to put the various fields of human endeavor within a particular context. Jurisprudence acquaints us with the thinking of law at a high level of abstraction. This is to say that when you are studying jurisprudence, you are talking about studying at an abstract level. The nature of jurisprudence is such that no delineation of the scope can be regarded as final. When I mean delineation, I mean when you define it, no description can be considered as final, because jurisprudence deals with the thought about law rather than what the law is itself. Jurisprudential studies ranges from minute analytical dissections and sharp distinction at one end of the intellectual scale to the broad sweep of ideas and philosophies through the ages at the other end. Jurisprudence is concerned with the nature and function of law. As a matter of fact, it deals with such questions as: 1. What is law? 2. Where does it come from? That is the origin of law. Where does it come from? 3. What does it do? That is the functionality we are talking about in law. 4. What are the means for doing all these things? And so forth and so on. Jurisprudence digs into the historical past and attempts to create the symmetry of a garden out of the confusion of different conflicting legal systems. The nature of jurisprudence will be more appreciated when related with legal theory. I believe my audience, you have a background of legal theory. The question is, are there plausible distinctions between jurisprudence and legal theory? That's a very big question. The relationship between jurisprudence and legal theory is a dialectical one, or what one can regard as an osmosis relationship. That is, one leading to another. This makes it difficult to characterize jurisprudence. Just like what I said before, jurisprudence is like a big ocean into which many rivers flow. Jurisprudence is interdisciplinary subject whereby you find so many disciplines, both in arts, science, philosophy, and law, as it were. Legal theory deals with the general principles involved in branches of positive law. For example, mens rea, mistake, and so forth and so on. While jurisprudence describes the more universal concept inherent in legal theory. For example, in criminal law, for an offense to have been legally committed, there must be in existence mens rea and actus reus. It is the combination of these two concepts that produces offense, and that is the province in which jurisprudence is interested. Whereas legal theory is interested in the specific, in the particular or concrete concept. Jurisprudence is more or less, as I told you before, it's like an ocean into which all rivers flow. It is an interdisciplinary subject having linkage with other disciplines such as anthropology, psychology, political science, and sociology. In conclusion, I will say that jurisprudence is a study of various general theoretical questions about the nature of law and legal system. Jurisprudence examines the relationship between law, justice, and morality. This is just a brief introduction to jurisprudence. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Like and share this video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.